Baking textures is most commonly used to help send textured models from one platform to another. For example, a procedural made material in Blender can't just be exported to Unreal. But baking the procedural material to an image lets you simply import that image and just get the same results. But this doesn't mean EasyBake is useless when working only in Blender. In fact, it still serves two huge benefits in easing material management and just reducing performance load. Complex procedural materials, or even just materials that mix a lot of texture maps together, can get very computationally intensive in terms of leading to preview lag and just slower render times. You don't want either of those, do you now? Baking your procedural materials and swapping the complexity to a static image can significantly reduce render times. You can even keep the complete procedural-based material setup in a separate Blender project, so you make changes later. Rebake the texture and just update the asset in your main Blender project. Even without complex materials, EasyBake still boosts your Blender-only workflow. A model with many material slots can just quickly get hard to navigate and change, as well as just cause performance slowdown. By making a second UV map and unwrapping it so no faces overlap, you can bake all these material slots down to a single image. A single image! Yeah! For a stated project for modification and baking. In your actual project, just use the single material slot version. This approach allows you to effortlessly create variations from the original model, maintaining project consistency with a single foundational material.